Okay, so for this question we have a polygon, and clearly this isn't a regular polygon because the interior angles are different, and it says it has 9 sides, and it asks us to work out the side of the exterior angle here. So what we're probably going to start off doing is finding out what this is, and then we'll take that away from 180 to find the exterior angle. Now there's multiple ways of doing this. I think we'll go through the easier method. So the first thing to do is work out what the interior angles add up to, and the formula for doing that is n minus 2 times 180, and that will give us the sum of interior. So I'm going to get my calculator and I'm going to do 180 times, so n is 9, so it would be times 7 because that's 2 less. And that's 1,260 degrees. So all the interior angles add up to 1,260 degrees. So I'm going to take away all the angles that I know from 1,260. So to find out what y is, I'm going to do the working up here so we can see both. Was it 1,260 take away, and then we're going to do 142 plus 117 plus 154 plus 133 plus 134 plus 156 plus 139 plus 132. I think that's it, and let's just count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there's 9 sides. Okay, so I'm going to get my calculator and I'm going to do 1, 2, 6 as 0, take away, open bracket, 142 plus 117 plus 154 plus 133 plus 134 plus 156 plus 139 plus 132, close bracket, equals, and that says 153. So y is 153, but I came up with y. The question asks for x, so to find out x, we do 180, take away 153 because angles on a straight line. So I'm going to do 180, take away the 153, which gives us 27 degrees. So our answer is 27 degrees. Now we're looking for y to be, I mean the question's not always drawn accurately, but that looks like it's an obtuse angle. And also it probably has to be an angle that's less than 180 degrees, otherwise you get some kind of reflex polygon going on. So if you do get an unusual number, so one that's above 180 or one that's below 90, it doesn't mean it's wrong, but just check your answer, check it makes sense. And also with x looks small, so even if x is say 170 degrees, that doesn't mean that the x isn't 170 degrees, but just check your answer if it looks a bit unusual. I would say that looks about right, 27 degrees. So I'd check my working if I have time in the exam, but I'm happy to leave that. It's probably correct.